Given the formula, you write the name. There's no math involved with this. We won't read through all the directions right now because that was in the other video. We're going to name them in order, cation, then anion. So these two are done for us. Let's look at the next one. I see a parenthesis, so I'm going to highlight that so I don't miss it. So NH4 is a polyatomic ion. For polyatomic ions, I'm going to look on the basic polyatomic ion chart, and here's NH4, and it's got the name ammonium. So the first name for this one is ammonium, and the N, since it's just a single atom, N is one of our anions. Nitrogen becomes nitride. So the answer is, or the second word is nitride. The next one, get rid of these highlighting. Next one I see, I'm going to go a little faster. Li and CO3, there's some parentheses, so that's going to have the parentheses will have a polyatomic name. And so that one is going to be Li. We know that's lithium, and the first word does not change. And CO3 has a team name, and that's carbonate. Carbonate. Okay, it's not carbon, oxygen, or anything like that. They have a team name. Next one, I don't see any parentheses, and so that one, give me a giant box here. What the hey? So I'm just going to name the first one, like on the table, aluminum, and the second one is the like on the table, but changes to ide. So sulfur becomes sulfide. If I'm not sure, I can check up on the chart above. Now here I see another one with a parenthesis, so I know that's going to have a team name. So Be is beryllium, just like on the periodic table. NO3, that's the part that has the name, the team. NO3 is called nitrate. Remember up here that N alone was nitride, but with NO3 with the team, the part of the word comes from that nitrogen, but nitrate is the team name. All right, I see a parenthesis, so that means we have a team there. So the first word is like on the table, potassium. And the second word is going to have a team name. OH is the team called hydroxide. So that's the only team that ends with ide. The rest of the ides are always the single anions, but hydroxide is special. It sounds kind of like it, but notice the hydro for hydrogen and the ox for oxygen, and the team is made of an oxygen and a hydrogen, so hydroxide. Next one, I don't see any parentheses, so it's just going to be Na is sodium. And the P, phosphorus, becomes phosphide. Sometimes it's hard to know, is it phosphoride? But it's phosphide. And the more you hear these, the more they just start to sound right, kind of. And now the next one, I see two parentheses. So that means I have two teams bonded here. And so I don't need to look at the periodic table, I need to look at the ion chart. NH4 is a team. That's the positive one, ammonium. Remember, positive always comes first. And then the other one, CO3. So NH4, CO3 is ammonium carbonate. Next one, no parentheses. So Ca is calcium, and O is oxygen, but it becomes ide. All of the second words change to ide unless they have a team name, then you just use the team name.